welcome back. Have a statistic for you. Did you know that over 80% of diseases and illnesses are stress related, even if we do not realize we are under stress? Oh my. Let's prevent that for you. Here are the top 5 things you can do in your day to decrease the effects of stress and live a happy, healthy, fun life. Number 1, deep breathing. I recommend the 4-7-8 breathing twice a day or anytime you transition from one activity or another or before going into a high stress environment. Number 2, mindfulness while driving. Focus on the placement of your hands on the steering wheel and notice the sensory detail of the steering wheel. Number 3, smiling. A real deal smile by getting your eyes and your mouth involved. It instantly relaxes you, makes you more attractive, and it's beneficial to all those around you. So while you're driving or standing in line or anytime during the day, just deliberately smile. Number 4, food. Decrease the fight or flight chemical cortisol with food. What you eat can help your body recover from day-to-day business and disease. Food can do significant things to help with stress. For instance, it can help with the release of serotonin. Salmon is a rich source of tryptophan, which is vital for producing serotonin. Number 5, control versus no control. Well, you know that you can't control the weather, if a bus is late, or even how your boss reacts to a new deadline. But you can be prepared. You can check the weather report the day or night before, or make a habit of carrying that umbrella. You can have a book downloaded on your smart device, or even a paperback in case you have to wait an extra 20 minutes. You can practice mindfulness, compassion. Know your boss is feeling that his own needs aren't being met, and be ready with suggestions to offer your support. Can you begin to imagine implementing some of these changes in your life? I'm sure you can. Please know that you always have a choice when it comes to stress. I am so incredibly happy that you have taken the time to learn more about yourself and how you can create increased calm, peace, happiness, and health for yourself and those around you. You, my friend, are part of the solution. Now, let's review what you've learned and how to move forward. So far, you learned how to identify your stressors by naming them to tame them. You also have a clear understanding of what produces the detrimental effects of stress. And most importantly, you now have tools and techniques that allow you to make choices and be proactive about getting ahead of the stress response. Please pause for a moment and record the debrief questions, and I'll catch you in the next lesson.